Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the foods that I ate when I was actively trying to lose weight. In my last video, I swear I told y'all that I tried to not exclude any foods whatsoever. Things that I enjoyed, I tried to keep eating. If you're in a calorie surplus, you're going to gain weight. If you're in a calorie deficit, you're going to lose weight. That is just the fact of life. That is just the facts of losing weight, period. They can't be argued. But we'll take me, for example. I love French fries. So instead of a large French fry, I should get a small French fry, right? But then it's just like I ate the small French fry and I'm not completely satisfied. And it also didn't really put a dent in my stomach, just kind of like fast carbs. That's not really doing much for me or my body, but tastes really good. It is what it is, right? But you can substitute different things to make it fit better into your lifestyle. Now, some things obviously taste better than others. You know, you start taking calories out, you start taking the flavor out, and we're not happy about that, right? But some things I've realized are actually extremely beneficial for you and also taste better as well, even within their low calorie form. So I have a couple things here we'll go over that I eat on a consistent and regular day-to-day basis, and hopefully this helps you as well. So for one, we have this Gatorade Zero here. One of the biggest things that I did, I am not a big soda drinker. If you are someone that drinks soda, that is holding you back, I've realized, so much, because soda has so much calories, so much sugar and all that stuff that it's just, you can just consume easily 1,000 calories of beverage a day. So we have a 12-ounce can of Coke here. This is 140 calories. We have a quart of Gatorade here for 0 calories. So obviously, we're looking at the difference here, right? You're definitely getting way more substance here, but for way less. And you're getting way less substance here, but for way more. So these are the little ways that you're going to lose the weight, also keep it off, is by not completely. See, I clearly still have this in my house, right? I'm not a Coke drinker. Kais is a Coke drinker. But I definitely like certain sodas, but the whole point is I still have this here in my place, and I still have this here in my place. So it's just like, yes, if I am trying to actively lose weight, because definitely there's going to be times where I'm just like, yo, I'm feeling a little heavy. Let me just, cut back a little bit. Boom, start drinking more of this and keep this in the fridge a little longer. Okay, let's talk about snacks. Okay, snacks. Here we go. A classic. Popcorn is way less calories than chips. So probably, take that popcorn, and honestly, you could do so much with popcorn nowadays, especially with all those little like seasonings. Things will get stale for me real quick. So I got to keep things going in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm a snacker. I love to snack. There was something that I could not do, was cut out snacking. Even when I did keto, I still was snacking. I love to snack. Okay, as I was saying before, I am a snacker. I love to snack. So string cheese, love these things. I'm pretty sure each of these are like 70 calories each. Boom, I'm not eating one. No, I'm not eating one. I'm grabbing 2 by default. That's just who I am. So boom, I'm counting this as 140 calories, point blank period. So something that I also stand by, and I know plenty of my friends have purchased this item as well, and it is the BlendJet 2. Now, do not get that BlendJet 1, please. I am telling you, if you see it out in the stores and stuff, don't buy it. Do not buy the BlendJet 1. Buy the BlendJet 2. It is the bigger one, and the blade is far superior than the first version of this product. This is something I was doing religiously. Like, there was no skimping on me making a smoothie. This was putting nutrients into my body, because I was not big on eating salads, eating Brussels sprouts, eating greens, eating any of that stuff. So it was just a way for me to throw some spring mix in here with a bunch of fruit, still tastes excellent. Throw a little bit of ice cream in there, like nothing crazy, like a tablespoon of ice cream, makes it a little more smoother, creamy, delicious. Nutrients, tastes good, fantastic. It's a meal all on its own. Throw the extras in, throw the protein in, throw the anything in. Great. Let's talk cheese, sandwiches, hot dogs, the staple stuff, hamburgers and stuff. I keep that in my place all the time. Easy foods that I can make like this, grab and go, fantastic. Like, instead of getting the cheeseburger from outside, make the cheeseburger in your home. Get those frozen patties, get you some 40 calorie each slice of cheese, not instead of 100 calories each slice. This is little Velveeta, 40 calories, boom. Throw it out on the cheeseburger. We're already like 350 calories for a whole burger with all the works in it, everything. Mayo, ketchup, mustard, all of that. There are some things you're just gonna have to come to terms with that you personally are just like, you know what, I'm weak to this. Maybe I gotta give it a break for a second. If you do, then that's okay. But just don't be like, you know what, it's over forever. It's gone. I can't eat that anymore. No, because then you're just gonna quit and you feel like one day you're gonna be like, you know what, I'm just not feeling like being on my diet today. So I'm just gonna have that one thing that I told myself that I couldn't have. And then that one thing turns into 3 days of you doing the wrong thing, right? Nah, cut that out. Keep it sustainable. Let's keep it something that we can maintain, you know? So keep things that you know that you like inside your home, and hopefully you can find some kind of alternative, which there are. I know there are. So you know what? Not hopefully you can find an alternative. You are going to find an alternative to that 80 calorie cheese that you're eating. This is half the calories of the cheese. Boom. Those little calories, they add up, and that's how you keep, you know, you think that you're being on track, and because you're eating avocado toast. And I'm sorry, but an avocado has like 400 or 500 calories in it, just one avocado. And I swear I can eat like 4. So it's just like, you have to know what's in the food that you're eating. You have to know what you are consuming. Like, that's what it comes down to. That's why they say, try to stay away from outside food, because you don't know the extras that they're throwing into it. Light mayo instead of the full fat mayo, boom, 35 calories. Sometimes if you're just trying to get by, you know, you're just trying to get into the mode, into the routine, into that consistency. You're trying to get there. So you have to keep stuff like this in your place so that you can stay on track. You know what I mean? So that you can not deviate too far from the plan, because we have mayo here. We don't have to have the full fat mayo. We got 35 calories, a tablespoon right here. Easy. Instead of using cooking oils and cooking greases, you're going to use these low calorie, actually, I'm pretty sure all of them end up saying no calories on these at all. Use this to cook your food. Save those calories. Next, we have salad kits. Boom, salad kits. We love salad kits. Honestly, I swear years ago, I was just like, bro, I'm not trying to be on no diet because I'm definitely not trying to eat salads all day, but man, they really stepped it up with these salad kits, all kinds. I love the sweet kale. This Asian shop salad is bomb. The sesame dressing in here is bomb. They got some wontons up in this bee. Like, it's good. You want to save your calories for the nighttime because you know that you get more cravings then? Do so. Have a lighter breakfast. Boom. Fruit and cream oatmeal. I love these. Obviously, way better alternatives than this. This is not the superfood, whatever that you're looking for. But this is a 110 calorie packet. You can have 2 packets if you need to. I only need 1 to get through in the morning. And it's just something quick, something to throw inside to get your body going, feeling a little better inside. Throw some granola, throw some fruit inside here if you want. I did learn about calories a lot, especially a lot of the foods that I eat on repeat. I'm not a big cooker in the kitchen. I am not someone that's sitting in here making gourmet pastas and chicken with special sauce and roux and stuff like that. That is just not me. But I will try and just maintain myself the best ways that I can. And I am a sandwich, hot dog, oatmeal, snacker kind of girl, okay? So that's just kind of how it is. And that's how I lost the weight, by eating those kinds of things, substituting some things out. So something that I do want to talk about, a word that I just kept saying over and over again in the video, is calories, calories, calories. And I don't want you to become obsessed with the calories. Like, I'm telling you, just kind of look and move on. To become obsessed with the calories. Like, I'm telling you, just kind of look and move on. Just kind of be like, okay, this is around this. Like, I just started guesstimating around that time. But then also something that I ran into, which is like, I was guesstimating incorrectly, and I was overcompensating or undercompensating. And the last thing you want to do is, you don't want to be too low in a deficit, and you also don't want to be too high. So it's just, you kind of want to find this middle ground, and that's going to be how you are able to lose the weight and keep it off, is finding a nice rhythm within the little habits that you've been building on up to this point. That's why I said in my last video that you should give yourself 4 to 5 months minimum. Someone literally left a comment saying that they can't cut out food groups because they're diabetic. that's good. Like, I mean, like, you have a medical condition. Obviously, you can't have as much sugar, but doesn't that already mean that you're already in a better position than most people that are already addicted to sugar, that haven't been having these low calorie options already? But it also makes it a little more difficult for you because you're already been kind of on the right track with your medical condition because you had to have lower calories. So that means that you have to look elsewhere to change those habits to fix your thing. You know what I mean? It's just like everyone, it's going to look different for everyone. It's not just like this one foolproof way to lose weight. It's just like, yeah, no, everyone kept saying that I can't snack. Sorry, I need to snack. I'm going to snack. And I lost the weight snacking. Occasionally, I'm having these ruffles, you know, 230 calories a package, but it's just like, this is high. 220 calories a package for these little things, you know, 310 for this one. It's just like, this adds up so fast. I can eat 4 of these. I did eat 4 of these like 4 days ago, but I'm in a position now to where it's just like my calories they're finally leveled out to where there's some days where I'm eating over. There's some days where I'm eating under. It's just how it is now, no matter what. Like, that's just who I am now. There's no like, oh, well, today I'm over my calories. Oh, yesterday I was under. Like, no, I'm just living life. I'm not thinking about I was over today, I'm under today. None of that stuff anymore. So that's just kind of the point that you want to get to. In the beginning, yeah, you may be having to look at these numbers, but I know a lot of us here have already seen the numbers, and a lot of us have already gathered the information and the knowledge about the calories that we know for the most part that cheeseburger is 500 calories, that French fry, that large French fry is 500 calories, that if you go to Chipotle and get a whole bowl, that it's going to be 1,300 calories. You know what I mean? It's just like these things that we see all the time that we've been experiencing as dieters that have been constantly all these years, all this time seeing these numbers, becoming obsessed with these numbers. You've been harboring all this information. So now you just need to apply it and learn from it. That's all. And you're gonna make it, I promise. I made it. I never thought I would. I told you in my last video that I was 230 pounds and I thought I was staying there, and I came to terms with it. And as soon as I came to terms with it, why'd the weight start coming off? I know it feels like nothing in the moment, but aren't you happy that you lost the 15 pounds in the first place? Like, you've already made progress. I'm done talking. So friends, I hope that you got everything that you needed out of this video. If you like it, please like it so we can reach others. And this is our year. So if you need any more help, I am here for it. So please follow me on Instagram, all right? I love responding to your DMs. I also am constantly posting polls and stuff like that. So yes, you need any help, I got it. I'm here for it all year. Let's get it. And hopefully I see you in my next upload. Bye.